Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, candidate. Today you are here for the interview of crew member. So first of all, I welcome you, and I just want to you to introduce yourself so that we can talk further.
Yes, evening, everyone. My name is Khushmanpreet, and I am from India. Here, I am doing MBA in Australia, and also looking for some work. And so that's why I am applied for this.
So, okay, Kushman, can you please tell me something about your strengths and weaknesses?
Yeah, actually, my greatest strength is my intellectual curiosity, and weakness may be actually I think in fast working experience work I think getting panicked. That's right,
Okay.
that's my weakness.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Okay.
as you know, for this post we have a lot of candidates.
Yeah.
So I just want you to tell something which is different in you from others.
I think actually I really enjoy new things and as I have previous experience in customer services, and that is maybe able to work. That is my strength, and that make me different from others as well.
Okay. Sir, do you have any kind of special quality in yourself?
Uh, Actually, I have a background, medical background, so maybe that is beneficial for me as well in job. Like if anyone need help, I am able to do as well, and maybe this is enough
Okay.
because I have no any other experience in hospitality. That's
Mm-hmm.
right.
Okay.
Okay, so as you said that you don't have a prior experience in hospitality,
Yeah.
so are you able to deal with any arrogant or demanding customer?
Yes, I am able because firstly, whenever this person in front of us is becoming angry, so first of us, we have to become keep calm and try to understand what they want and to from us and what they ask to us and why they are angry. So firstly, trying to deal with them with a kind way,
Okay.
and maybe in this way I'm able to understand and able to like able to work with the aggressive people as well.
Okay.
Okay. So what makes you confident?
Like I enjoy working in a fast-paced environment, and in restaurant I have to do in a work in a team, so maybe it is my it is help to me to be confident.
Okay.
Okay. So as you know, you have many options available. So why you choose this restaurant industry?
Like it is very competitive environment today to find a job. So in a job, it is easy to learn something new. And as a girl, I have already know about the kitchen and how to make a food. Like so, it is easy for me as well to learn the things and work in the restaurant.
Yeah,
Great.
okay. Do you have any kind of special quality which makes you to work in this environment and you can make this environment good for you as well as for the others? Do you have any quality like that?
Uh, Actually, I don't know about this. Maybe I that I'm able to work in a team if anyone guide me in a good way, then I
Mm-hmm.
will learn everything.
Okay. Mm.
Okay. So according to you, what is the most important qualities for this restaurant industry? Do you must have?
The qualities mainly in restaurant. we surely have firstly good customer services, and then is important to be happy while dealing with the customers, and yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any food allergies?
Sorry.
Do you have any food allergies?
No, I didn't get the question.
Food allergies means there are means someone is not good at spices. Means they are spices food, and someone is having an allergy to that. So do you have any kind of allergy to any
Um,
kind of special
if
food?
anyone have any food allergy, no, actually I have. I'm sorry, I didn't
Yeah,
get your
no.
answer now.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually I have any food, no any food allergy. But if any customer have any food allergy, then firstly, if whenever they were ordered any food, so they asked to me that that they don't want that, so I'm able to deal with that also.
Okay.
Okay. And as you know, you have many restaurants available in the market. So why you choose to work with us for particular?
Actually, it is firstly the main thing is it is nearby my house. That's why
Okay.
I choose that, and even I saw your advertisement on journals, and so that's why I applied for this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what hours are you available to work?
Uh, as I'm student, I have 20 hours per week work. I'm able to work, and so it's depend on you that what time you want.
Okay.
Okay. So as you said that you are international student, so do you have any career goals, future career goals or
Yeah, actually, I have I'm looking forward to learn so many things. Even I am here to learn something different from my country. So my main goal is to achieve something new.
Okay. So do you consider yourself a patient person?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So can you work under the different loading conditions in the in this particular work?
Yeah, I'm able to work any kind of environment, even it is fast paced or is not much quiet. I am able to do work.
Okay.
okay, so that's all for your interview. It's nice
Mm.
talking to you, and we will let you know further whether you are selected for the next round or not. And all the best. Best of luck for your new journey. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.